Alright, today is the day to install that window. And here it is. It's a motion window. Now, we've done everything up ourselves to this point, but when I saw this and how big it was, and it going right there, we didn't want to risk, even if we cut it a smidge too low, we did not want to risk interfering with the railing. So we decided to have it professionally installed. So we kind of stripped everything out to get it ready. We are at Custom Coach Creations in DeLand, and hopefully they'll do a great job, and hopefully they'll let me film a little bit. We'll see. Check them out if you need any work done or you want to work with them to do a complete custom build from the bottom up. They are located in DeLand, Florida. They are the only listed one in Florida on the MotionWindows website to install, Motion Windows. So they are extremely busy, as you can see. This is the garage. There's vehicles in there. A lot of people working on vehicles, so I'm not even going to ask because I don't want to be in the way about installing. But man, these are some of the ones that they, I guess, bought the vehicles, built out themselves, and nice. So if you need work done, they do work. They custom build from the ground up, and it's hopefully they do a great job. I'm hoping that they do. So all right, we'll see when they're done. There's my finished sanding it. He blew it with air. Now he's putting some, I guess, sealant to, the edge. Where you cut, prevent rusting. They are finishing up. It looks good so far. Alright, so finished project. Got the window down a couple weeks ago. It's Florida, so we have a lot of storms like every afternoon, but no leaks, so they did a great job. And so that's the finished product outside, and then let's take a look inside. And then inside, we already framed it up, and yes, I forgot to record it, but we framed it up. Already put something in the window for installation. So take it out, and that is inside. And we love it. Love it so far. So there we go. So if you're in Florida looking for a window install or anything, definitely check out Custom Coach Creations in DeLand. Thanks for watching.